Wayne MacPherson is up next, and he's added to wood another kind of media.
Yeah, so anyway, I do a lot of shopping at this place. It's like a discount bins, and they have all like lights and so I found these balusters. I got a 10-pack for $5. And I just have them around my shop thinking, what am I gonna use them for? And then I just pictured it, boom, just go 90 degrees and then fill it in with some different wood. So that's all it's done. It's cut and tacked together at the back. And I've used I've got cherry in there, mahogany, walnut, what else do I got? Maple, and I think I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, that's that piece, and it actually has a couple hooks on the top, so it'll hang on the wall. It just didn't have the wire on it yet. And then this, I actually built this for my parents. It is just a kind of an MCM clock made of walnut and mahogany, I believe. And then I inlaid some stainless for the numbers. I drilled and inlaid some stainless steel in there for the numbers, and yeah, that's it.
Very cool.
Next.